SSYS stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is Stratasys stock a buy? Well, I'll be breaking this down in this quick short 1-minute video. Especially how things are looking like for me now is, and I'm still going to stick to my strategy that I've refined over 45,000 videos. It seems like this thing is pumping up, but let's zoom out and see exactly where we are. Actually, I quite like this idea. Well, I have my demand zone here, and the only thing that would matter to me is a proper double break to take things higher. Yeah, man, this thing just completely started pumping. I certainly would not be randomly buying. I'll just tell you this. Gap. It seems like free market's gonna gap up as well. Like in that case, when would I buy? Well, if I see a little pull down and a double break confirmation, you know what I mean? Me randomly buying is just simply not gonna be happening. And all I'm certainly doing here in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules to be met. So let me know what is your opinion on SSYS, and if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.